Hi everyone, it's me, Jen. I love food. You guys know that. I'm getting ready to have a little snack. I'm gonna warm up in the microwave some of my cookies so that they have that fresh from the oven feels. You know another thing I love? Pressing buttons. Wait a minute. How does this microwave know what buttons I pressed? I mean, it's not like it has a brain. Oh my goodness, like how does it know that I pressed 23 seconds and not 35 minutes? I need somebody to help me. Somebody please help!
Hello, Jen.
Oh, hi, Jonah. Jonah is a science communicator here at Science North.
Yes, I hear that you have some coding questions for me, Jen.
Coding? I don't have coding questions. I have questions about the microwave and how it knows.
Yes, Jen. Thanks to coding.
Looks like I'm about to learn some stuff. So, Jonah.
So, Jen, coding is an algorithm we give to devices so it can perform certain demands. An easier way to explain it would be to call coding a list of tasks. We make a list of tasks or algorithms in which we give them to, well, robots.
Are you telling me that my microwave is a robot?
Yes, exactly. A simple one. You press buttons to give the microwave a direction to reheat your food.
So you're telling me by pressing buttons on my microwave, I'm giving it a command to reheat my food?
Exactly. Inside the microwave, there is a motherboard that transports
Wait,
the message.
Jonah, hold on a second. This sounds so complicated.
Sometimes it can be, but other times it's actually really fun. We can explain coding by playing a game instead.
I love playing games.
You will need a pen and paper. I want you to write down directions on how to pour a bowl of cereal. So, you good, Jen?
Yeah, I think I have all the steps.
Great. So here's what we're gonna do. You're going to read out your instructions step by step. I'm going to act as the processor. I'm going to take your information, process it into actions. Let's see how you did.
This sounds fun. You ready, Jonah?
Oh yeah.
How to pour a bowl of cereal. Step 1. Take cereal in your hand.
Beep boop beep.
Step 2. Pour it into the bowl. Step 3. Get a spoon. Put the spoon. Oh, step 4. Put the spoon in the bowl.
Beep boop boop.
Step 5. Say ta-da.
Ta-da! Oh man!
I think I missed a step.
Yeah, but that's okay, Jen. That's what coding is. You make a mistake, you go back, fix your code, and then your robot can perform its action.
It's not that difficult at all.
It can be, but it's mostly fun. Think of all the things in your day-to-day life that uses coding.
Well, my microwave.
That's true, but there's more. Let's go hunt to see how many we can find.
great. We found a lot of simple robots.
Yeah, they have some basic concepts and basic components to them too, like a sensor, while others kind of get a little more complex.
And they all work for me.
Yes, they all do jobs. But you know what is cool about coding? It isn't just for work. Coding, you can have fun too.
Coding for fun? How?
Well, do you like video games?
Oh yes, and right now that's really the only way I get to play with my friends. Well, online video games.
Want to see something cool? Yes. Well, I made a game that's for you, Jen. Want to try it out?
Yes!
All right.
Look, it's me.
Help Jen collect the cookies. Gingerbread is worth 1 and chocolate chip is worth 2. Use the left and right arrow keys to move. Okay.
Oh! Look at me, I'm catching cookies. Ah, nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nom. Oh, where did I go? Oh! Nom. Jonah, I got 21 cookies. Now I have another question. Earlier when we played the coding game, I wrote my code in English because I know that you speak English. If you spoke French, I would have written in French. But what language did you have to use in order for the game to understand what you wanted it to do?
That's a great question, Jen. There's many different languages used in coding. Some are more complex than others, and some have different purposes. The language or the type of coding I use to make this game for you, Jen, is something called JavaScript. Let me show you my code. So here we have the lists of tasks for video game Jen. You can see there are a lot of different colors on here. These colors relate to the different types of code. The computer processes the different types of code in order for Jen to collect her cookies.
This is so cool! I wish I could make a game like this one.
You can, Jen.
But Jonah, how? I do not know the language of the coding world. I mean, I don't know how to code.
Jen, you're in luck. I'm actually giving workshops on how to code.
Are you serious? How do I sign up? How do I join?
Join us this summer for free virtual coding workshops. You can sign up at sciencenorth.ca/codingkids.
Thank you so much, Jonah, for teaching me all about coding. I just learned so much.
No problem, Jen. This was a lot of fun. Have a great day.
That was really great. I can't wait for the first session. If you want to keep learning how to code, join Jonah. That was such a great episode. I learned so much. If there's something that you think I should learn, let us know by leaving a comment below. See you next time on Jenn Learns Stuff.